Hello guys, welcome to the Work at Home Graduates. In this channel we'll talk about ways to make money online, full-time and part-time. So in this video I'll be talking about how you can be able to make money just playing games. Whether you're a teenager, you can be able to do this yourself. So I'll be talking about that, so you don't want to miss every step that I'll be showing you how you can make this possible for you. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, as we keep giving you ways to make money online. So catch me after the intro, I'll show you how to do this. Let's go. So guys, I'll show you three different websites where you can be able to make money just playing games. So the first recommendation of the website is called playtestercloud. Okay, this is basically, this is one I recommend because they actually give you the instructions of how to be able to test the games and be able to make money. So I'll just go into it and just go over everything so you can be able to know what is going on. So with this website, with playtest.com, they actually, you can be able to earn 10 to 15 US dollars per game. Okay, so what happens is, so they send you 1 to 3 games to test per week. So yeah, that's to your email. So how you go, so how this works is, you sign up, so you go to become a tester. Okay, so it's a normal registration when it comes to your games registration, I mean. So you obviously sign up below, and then they'll obviously send you email, and then yeah, you'll be on the email list, and then yeah, and then they're gonna be able to do some quick tests for you once you're there. So it's just normally to test your devices if they're working, and sometimes your country. Okay, but yeah, these are the tests that they're gonna be checking. So because it helps for them to know who you are and what they're dealing with, because you'll be required not to disclose the games that you're gonna be testing here, and you will actually be signing a confidentiality agreement with them. So once you've signed up and done everything, okay. So as I said, they send you games 1 to 3 times per week, 10 to $15 per game. Yeah. So normally what happens is, like, it depends on what they have on their platform. So what type of games they have on their platform, and then you're gonna be able to test their different games. Okay, the reason for this is because these are actual gamers, so they want to get like an overview of what people are actually looking for or what people enjoy. So you will be required to do some recommendations with them. Okay, and then at the end you'll do some sort of survey. Once you've done, you finish with this. Okay, so normally it's international or this. Okay, mainly they do use people from Canada, USA, but yeah, you could apply, as I said here, and check, because they are like international, and even if they don't have for your country for that on that time, or whenever, you will be on their data list, which means you will be able to be contacted once they have spots for you or any other game they want to review. So how do you get paid with this? Okay, so when it comes to getting paid with Player R, is when it comes to, yeah, with playtestercloud, you all get paid only through PayPal. So you do need to have a PayPal account, yeah, to be able to do this. So who is actually eligible for playtestercloud? Okay, it's simple. Any person from 13 years and older, you are eligible to be able to test games. So that's what they need, and they just need you to be able to check and and verify if the games are actually good. So let's go into the next method. As I said, this method you can be able to earn $10 to $15 per game. So that's pretty cool. So now let's go to the next. Okay, the next one, guys, is Vault Games, or you can say vault.com. You can even go to Glassdoor, okay, and then find jobs. It's basically like normal job. So only that you'd be testing games. They even have apps for this. So even if you go to Glassdoor, you'll be able to find jobs there. They even have good ratings. So if you type in Glassdoor Vault Games, then you'll be able to see working at Vault Games. So you'll see that they have good reviews. It's 5-star, so it's quite good. So it's like an actual job, but you'll just be testing games. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite good. Okay. So yeah, I have been working at Vault Game full time for less than a year. So this is just reviews. So they have quite like good reviews all over. So it's a good platform to get money through. Okay, with this, yeah, you can be able to earn like quite well too. So you just have to make sure that you actually love what you are doing. So here's another legit one. This is actually one of the famous ones, and people actually use it a lot. It's like they focus mainly on anything that is online, especially with games. Okay, so they are helping many people. As you can see, their payments here, they pay quite a bit compared to the others. So you have the ability to earn 50 to 150 per hour. Okay, and then you can play anywhere in the world. Okay, you can do it even part-time. Okay, so this one is quite good. So you are also able to go in and sign up with them, and then you can start testing once they give you some offers here, once you finish signing up as a game tester. Okay, as you can see here, they even say due to the high popularity of our program, we have limited number of applications that can be processed every day, because people are going here like almost every day. And so this obviously makes sense why they do this. They have limited space. Okay, so today they only have 4 slots. So this is in real time. So you can put your name, and yeah, they also have age here. So their limit starts from 10 years old. So which is pretty good. So even if you're not even a teenager, you can be able to do this yourself. So you don't need any prior experience, as you can see here, less than a year or 1 year. For this. So you can be a newbie and do this, and then you select your platform, whatever you want to be doing. If you have an Xbox at home, anything you have, you can still be able to earn money. Okay, so and then you just put obviously your games, what you want. So I do recommend that you put like the type of games that you are enjoying. Like let's say you enjoy action games more, and maybe action and racing. So try to put most of those as your favorites. So that's when they choose you, they'll choose you according to that specification that you are looking, that you are actually enjoying. So because they want to get the best experience and the best results from people who are testing their games. Okay, so once you've done that, you just go to your email, and then they're going to be able to process your application and let you know about everything. Okay, so you can do this anywhere around the world, the same as that. This is pretty rad. It's a very cool one. So as I said, it's quite popular. So another website that I actually I talked about previously when I showed you how to make money through YouTube for free. So if you did watch that video, you will know what Player Up is. Okay, so you can check that video. So yeah, that's basically, this is a website where you can do like some sort of freelancing, you can buy and sell. Okay, so what you can do for games here, you can buy and sell games. Okay, so this is obviously for people who want to flip. You can flip games, so sell and then make profits through that. So obviously this is for people who want to invest a small amount in order to be able to make profit. So you can even do this for YouTube videos and on Instagram. So yeah, it's basically it works the same way. Okay, it's pretty profitable as long as you find something that is actually where people actually looking to that is famous. Okay, so if you go online, I would say go on Google, or if you do know games that are quite popular, and then you can go around here and look for something a bit similar to what is that. So for example, let's say you know some sort of action game that you know that people do like. So what do? You go here, you find something similar to that. Okay, that is full of action, that is similar to that, and you buy and then you're able to sell it. Okay, so this works, so you can get paid through Pioneer or PayPal. Okay, just like the watching that YouTube you watching the YouTube and getting paid for free, so you can do that for yourself. Okay, so this is one you can do for yourself, and it's quite lucrative if you can do this like on a consistent basis, and you keep advertising, and or even if you have a Facebook um, page which talks about that, and then people will be able to find you. So guys, these methods are all about looking for something that you'll actually enjoy, and you'll actually be able to do. As I say, with this one, you must buy something you enjoy and flip it. Okay, look for people online, go on Facebook, Facebook groups or something like that, and then promote your games, and you can also put it here on this platform, and there you can be able to sell it, just like I showed you in the YouTube video. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this video of how to be able to make money just playing games, guys. Anyone can do this. As I said, any teenager can be able to do this. You have also these platforms that actually do allow people younger than 13, which is like from 10 years and upwards, as you saw. So it's all about choosing the right one for you, and then you just wait for the opportunity. So with these, you just wait, especially the first ones that I showed you. You apply, you wait. Okay, you wait for them to confirm your registration, and then you wait. Okay, and then you can be able to do this. So as you can see, it's from anywhere around the world, you can be able to do this. Okay, just put in your application and do it. And then also the last one, you just need to buy and flip. So if you do have a small investment to put in, and then you flip games throughout the week and make profit for yourself. Okay guys, so these are active ways to be able to make money playing games. So you can be able to make from anywhere from $200 per month to $1,000 per month. So depending on what gigs you get and how frequently you get these. So as I said, guys, these are just active ways to make money. So for me, I don't really focus on these a lot because these are just active, as I said, for just pocket money. So if you are actually looking for actual ways where you can be able to make money even while you're sleeping, so I do have all of these on my channel where you can be able to find your way. So one of my ways is selling products online and be able to get money consistently over and over again. So if you are interested in doing something like that, I will put a link down below, and you can be able to join the free mentorship, and I'll be able to show you step by step. And then once you are there, and if you decide that is for you, then you can decide to probably be serious about it and go to premium if you like it. So, and I'll be there to actually guide you step by step until you're able to make a passive income just like me, and just like I'm helping other people too. So guys, if other than that, you can check my other videos. I do always show you my best ways that I make money passive income online. All right, so you do want to invest yourself in something that will give you money consistently, even when you're sleeping. So that's what I enjoy doing. Other than that, if you do enjoy the games, go ahead and do it and tell me which one you liked and which one you actually are on the comment section. You can tell me which one you actually like and which one you actually want to try and which one appealed the best for you. Okay guys, other than that guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to press the like button and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so you don't miss any of my videos going forward from now on, where I show you how to make money online at home. Alright guys, cheers, see you in my next video. Let's keep winning. Cheers.